this video, I'm going to review the AI copywriting tool, SuferSEO. I'm going to cover the good, the bad, and any potential areas for improvement when it comes to this software. This video is for those of us out there who consider building software tools like these. If you don't know me, my name is Sean Boyce, and SaaS is my world. It's my mission to prevent good ideas from becoming bad software. You can learn more about me on my website at nextstep.io or connect with me on LinkedIn. I've also got a free email course for those of you out there who have an interest in learning my process for designing, building, and launching software like the one that I'm going to review in this video. Sign up at the link in the description below if you'd like to learn more. All right, let's get to the review. But first, some background. SuferSEO is a search engine optimized AI copywriting tool. It's one that you would use to improve the organic search results that you get from places like Google related to any of your copywriting efforts. Let's talk about the target market for a tool like SuferSEO. Surfer is for businesses that wish to receive a better return on investment into their copywriting efforts. Ideally, those businesses should be able to receive better results when it comes to how they perform along their search engine rankings on platforms like Google. And if they can do that by investing less time, effort, and budget, even better. Let's talk about the problem Surfer solves, which means why a particular business would invest in this software. Surfer aims to solve a problem that all businesses face, and that's that ranking for relevant keywords is hard. Creating just any content, even if it's good content, may not be enough. You typically need a legit strategy and process to really move the needle here. Surfer aims to simplify this process and make it easier, faster, and cheaper for businesses to climb the search engine rankings organically. So if you've previously invested in copywriting and not gotten the return that you're looking for, investing in software like Surfer may be able to help you make much better progress there. Let's take a look at how the software itself works. The SuferSEO process starts by asking you to enter relevant keywords for your article. You can enter one or more and choose based on keyword difficulty and search volume. Once you've picked your keywords, the next step in the process is to configure your settings before the software creates an outline for your article. Here you can set elements like the tone you want to strike and choose from the presently top performing organic articles to pull inspiration from to create the even better version for yours. This is all powered by the AI built into the Surfer software. Quick side note here, the Surfer software is based on something called the skyscraper technique. Now this is where if you wanted to write a top performing article, you would first choose your keyword, then evaluate the top organic results for that keyword as the basis for creating your article to try to outperform theirs. So say for example, you wanted to write your article on the topic of SEO tools, and the top organic results typically have a list of 5. You might choose to create your article with a list of 10 so that yours provides more value and outperforms theirs. All right, let's get back to the software. Now, once you've picked your settings, the next step is to click Create Outline, and the tool will go to work for you producing headings and subheadings, which will be the basis for the structure of your article. And it's here that you can make any changes that you would like before the software is instructed to write the draft of the article for you. Once your outline is complete, the next step is to simply click Create Article and the Surfer tool goes to work. Now it takes a few minutes, but what you're left with is a fully written article based on the keywords that you wanted to target and the outline that was created that was based upon the already top performing organic search result articles for that keyword. In the article view, Surfer also provides some helpful information about your article, like the length and the frequency of other potentially relevant keywords, plus an overall score at the top that pulls together all of these metrics to rank your article out of 100. This will also update as you make any changes to your draft in this article view. Let's talk about how and what Surfer charges for access to the software. Surfer uses a unique combination of both subscription and per usage pricing. You pay a subscription fee to gain access to their core software, and you also pay per credit for each AI article you want the tool to write for you. These credits are priced at $29 each, with discounts available if you buy in bulk. All right, let's talk about some of the results that the SuferSEO tool has been capable of. Now, I've been able to use the SuferSEO tool to write solid articles in less time. And when I say less time, what I mean is I've been able to write solid articles using Surfer in less time than it would take for me to write myself or hire someone to write them for me. All right, let's talk about how well the Surfer tool did as it pertains to search performance, because that's one of the reasons of investing in software like this. We want to improve our search engine optimization. Now, at least in my case, I was able to use the Surfer tool to create an article for my business website that tracked performance against a decent keyword, which wound up enabling me to crack into the top 10 organic search results in only a few weeks. I've used it over and over again since then, and I've yet to be able to reproduce this results for other keywords, but I still think the Surfer tool helps me tremendously as it pertains to making progress against these goals over a longer period of time. However, the tool isn't perfect and suffers from some limitations which may mean it won't work for you. The writing isn't perfect, so you need to read the entire article and make some changes. It can also be repetitive. I found numerous instances where it simply duplicates entire sections, so I either need to edit those significantly or remove them entirely. Let's talk about the ROI that I was able to receive from investing in the Surfer software. Now, I conducted several experiments and ran the numbers to compare what the Surfer tool was capable of doing versus me hiring copywriters to perform the same task. On average, Surfer saved me hours and cost me less than half to perform at the same level and sometimes with even better results than hiring a copywriter. As such, I feel confident saying that the Surfer tool produced results for my use case by at least double, which is pretty impressive. Alright, let's talk about some areas for potential improvement when it comes to the Surfer software. Now, the Surfer tool is pretty good, but there are plenty of areas to make improvements. Besides solving the writing quality problems, if I were to take on a tool like this or extend its functionality, I would plan to do so in the direction of adding elements or features that can help it perform even better when it comes from an SEO perspective, such as linking, adding visuals, and maybe even adding videos. Realistically, there are tons of ways to make a product like this better, but with Surfer, this is a great start. Alright, that concludes my review for the Surfer SEO software. Now, I'd love to hear from you, so if you've used this software before or have questions about it, please feel free to share in the comments below. I'd also love to hear from you from the perspective of which software you'd like to see me review next. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you got value out of it. If you did, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel because it helps support our ability to make more content like this for you.